Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about 10 ways to fix your mental health before it is too late. 1. Exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which help reduce stress and anxiety. 2. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to support emotional balance. 3. Eat a balanced diet. Nutritious food, especially vitamins B12 and D, can positively impact mental health. 4. Practice mindfulness and meditation. These techniques help manage stress and improve focus. 5. Limit social media use. Reducing screen time can prevent negative comparisons and improve self-esteem. 6. Find a supportive community. Connecting with others fosters emotional resilience and reduces feelings of loneliness. 7. Spend time in nature. Being outdoors can lower stress levels and enhance mood. 8. Engage in creative activities. Painting, writing, or music can serve as emotional outlets and reduce stress. 9. Seek professional help if needed. Therapy can be a powerful tool for improving mental health. 10. Practice gratitude. Focusing on positive aspects of life can shift your mindset and improve overall well-being. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.